In this video, I'll show you how to fix Playables not showing on YouTube. Let's get started. If you're not seeing Playables or interactive features on YouTube, there are a couple of simple fixes you can try. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Now tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From here, go to Settings. Next, look for the option called Accessibility and tap on it. Inside, find Accessibility Player and turn this option on. Once enabled, go back and check your videos again. You should now see Playables if they're available. If the issue still isn't fixed, the next step is to update your YouTube app. Open the Google Play Store or App Store on your phone. Search for YouTube and open it. If you see an Update button, tap on it to install the latest version. Updating the app ensures you have access to the newest features and bug fixes. After updating, reopen YouTube and check again. And that's it. These simple steps should fix the issue of Playables not showing on YouTube. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.